subscribe Pro Secret.
You've probably seen those insane AI-generated videos made with Seedance 2.0. The truth is, nobody has the exact prompts to create cinematic scenes like this, and most people don't even know the best platform to use. Seedance 2.0 that gives low credits but still delivers high-quality videos. I'm going to show you a platform where you can use Seedance 2.0 yourself. With it, you can create high-quality VFX shots and cinematic sequences that feel like scenes from a Hollywood production. I even made a cinematic movie shot using it, and the results are really incredible. I'll guide you step by step on how to do the same. So, you just pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called JXP AI. Is an all-in-one AI platform where you can access all image and video models in one place. Whenever a new AI tool comes into the market, you'll most likely find it here. As you can see, they've already added Seedance 2.0, and it's available without any limitations. Not only that, you also get access to top video models like LTX2, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, and many more. For images and videos, almost every AI feature you need is available on this platform. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Now let's generate a video using Seedance 2.0. You can either select AI video from here or simply click this option, and it will take you directly to the generator. Seedance 2.0 comes with powerful features. You can create high-quality videos using both text-to-video and image-to-video options. The results are very cinematic, realistic, and smooth. However, one important thing to note is that for image-to-video, you currently cannot generate videos with human faces. So first of all, I'm going to generate a video using the text-to-video option. I'll paste my prompt here, and don't worry, you'll find all the prompts in the description. Next, select the video aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9. Then select the video model. I'm going with the Seedance 2.0 Pro model because it generates more accurate and higher quality results. After that, choose the video duration according to your needs, and simply click on Generate. The generation process has started, and it usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. And here is the result. As you can see, the result is amazing. The video looks like a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie, and every detail is perfect. There are no unusual movements or glitches, it's clean and smooth. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using Seedance 2.0. To download the video, simply click on the Download button, and it will be saved to your device. Now let's generate one more video using text-to-video. I'll paste my second prompt, and all the steps will be the same. Just increase the video length to 15 seconds and click on Generate. And here is the result. As you can see, the result is amazing. It looks like a fight scene from a Hollywood movie, and every detail is accurate. There are no glitches or errors. It's a pure cinematic video. Now let's generate an image to video. You can use multiple references like character, location, audio, and other elements as well. I'm using these two images as references, but don't forget to use an AI-generated face. Do not use a real human face, otherwise the video will not be generated. After that, paste your prompt, then select the aspect ratio. For the model, I'm going with Seedance 2.0 Pro. Next, choose the duration and click on Generate. And here is the result.
Pro Secret.
As you can see, the transformation is amazing. You might have seen these kinds of videos on social media, and now you can create them as well. You can even add your channel name or your own branding, just like I did. Now let's generate one more video. This time I'm using this image, then I'll paste my prompt. The rest of the steps are the same, just click on Generate. The generation process has started, and here is the result.
Subscribe Pro Secret.
Honestly, it looks like a scene from a Hollywood movie, not something AI generated. Just imagine the kind of content you can create and how you can promote your own brand. The possibilities are endless. Trust me, you can do a lot with Seedance 2.0. You are only limited by your imagination. JXP offers many other AI tools for videos, images, and lip sync as well. Basically, it's an all-in-one AI platform. And if we talk about pricing, it starts from just $10. You can buy credits, and your credits never expire until you use them. It also has subscription plans at the same price with an extra 20% credits. I'll provide the link in the description. Go and check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.